In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and use voice typing in WhatsApp. First, make sure you have a keyboard that supports voice typing installed on your Android phone. If you're using a Samsung phone, you can use the built-in Samsung voice typing keyboard. For other Android phones, it's recommended to install Gboard because it has a built-in voice typing feature. After installing Gboard, open your phone's settings and go to Language and Input. Then set Gboard as your default keyboard. Now open WhatsApp and start any chat conversation. Tap on the message box and the keyboard will appear on the screen. On the keyboard, tap the microphone icon. Once you tap it, simply speak into your phone. The voice typing feature will automatically convert your speech into text. After the text appears in the message box, you can review it and then tap the Send button to send your message. And that's it. That's how you can easily use voice typing on WhatsApp to send messages by speaking instead of typing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.